Welcome. In this video, we will take you through the steps to solve registration data decryption failed. Make sure you have RD service installed. After RD service installation, connect the device to the system and wait for registration pop-up. Click on OK once device registration failed. Press OK to retry. Pop-up message occurs on the screen. Now go to C drive Morpho RD service LOsoft and open config-settings.ini file. To enable logs, set RD service logs to 1 and save config-settings.ini file. Go to Services and restart Morpho RD service. After RD service restart, device registration failure pop-up will again appear on the screen. Then click on OK. In case user doesn't wish to get the registration failure pop-up again on the screen, then stop Morpho RD service from services.msc. Now go to C drive Morpho RD log and open rdlogs.txt. Scroll down rdlogs.txt and you will get error message registration data decryption failed. To resolve the issue, it is required to check and correct system date and time zone as well. To correct date and time zone, please right-click on date and time in the tray icon of the system and then click on adjust date and time. Set date and time to automatic and select time zone to UTC 5:30. Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi. Now go to Services and start Morpho RD service to get the successful device registration pop-up on the screen.